Oh, I think I know.
Yeah. They make them into like, you know, no. So we get all our items are over there and
Dream and love on there. That looks nice. It's a road.
Ice cream upside down.
Because it's like V like that, and this is V too.
Go ahead and paint that whole area. Really nice.
I don't have a Sharpie, a black one.
Well, somewhere like, would this be what she'd use, or
Yeah.
is that that's it?
And that's the whole play. And today, me and my mom are gonna go pick up my plate. So let's go. And also, it's very beautiful outside. Not how it's raining, but how it's like really gracefully snowing. And as you know, that I made the plate on about, no,
Did we go before we went to Michigan?
yeah,
Oh, okay, so it was on a Wednesday.
yeah, Wednesday. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this on the way, and as you can see, no brother, no dad. So yeah, I have my dad's phone. Hopefully I won't lose it.
Would you like to see it? Yes, please. How are we gonna do it? Yay! Oh, is that beautiful?
You did that? I love it.
Wow, that's nice, Jess.
And then it's dishwasher safe and microwavable.
Perfect.
Yeah.
We can actually use it to eat off.
Yeah.
of. That's great.
There you go. I like the colors you picked.
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, nice. Okay.
And this is my plate I made. And I really like it. It's very hot and it's very cold outside. So that's what makes it really nice. With brown ice cream cone. Can you drive a little slower, please?
No.
She's going so fast. My gosh. Here it is. The plate all together. And yeah. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below, and give a thumbs up.